Hello students, welcome to class 5. I am Suresh sir, Saint Thomas School Maua, Wednesday session. Disaster and rescue. Today students of standard 5th were shown a film which gave many important information regarding what to do at the time of trouble or disaster. The main actors in these films were child artist Harsh, Neeru, Ba, Nathiba, illustrated in various conditions. The first point is explain is flood. Harsh and Neeru were giving information about the flood in the river. Because of the flood, there were a lot of inconvenience in the region. Rescue operations were taken up by the government and other organizations. Workers of rescue operations were instructing again and again. Take a battery and essential things for daily life and reach to the higher areas. This was the information shared by them. Cyclone. When there is a cyclone, heavy wind was blowing, dust was flying all around. The roofs of the people's houses were also flying away. Dirt, paper, plastic were also in the air. Repeatedly instructions were given through the microphone. Do not stand near a tree, electric pole, houses with tin roofs or such dangerous places. Everyone should stand together in open ground in vicinity. This was the information shared by the government and disaster management people. To sleep. A monsoon day was shown. Children were returning home from school. They were running, but just then Ruchan slipped because it had rained. The children stopped. Ruchan was crying. He had hurt his elbow. Just then his brother Pancham came and helped Ruchan to slowly to get up and tied his hand to the neck in a sling so that it wouldn't move. Then he arranged for him to reach the hospital. Dear students, there are various points that we can understand here and write. When you fell down or slipped down and you got some injury in leg, then a sling should be made. One bandage should be put up over the leg, over the hand, and then we have to go to the hospital. If there is a small cut, we have to apply a turmeric over there. This kind of many points we can write down here. Then collect information and note. In collect information and note, in 2006, the flood came to the Surat and people of Surat affected. Similarly, in Maua also cyclone came, Morbi dam also collapsed. All over India, many disasters happen and many people affected. That list we have to keep here. Now, next session onwards, look, learn and experience we shall share with you. Before that, I would like to tell you that you have to find out more and more information based on accident and what can be the rescue for it, that you have to learn it. What primary facilities you will provide, what kind of things you are arranging before going to the doctor, and what are the basic primary treatment you are giving to the patient or the one who is suffering, that we are discussing in our next point. Then I request all the students to undergo the PDF of the old lesson and write well, so you can continue the session. Next session we shall talk about new lesson. Thank you.